Then I'll open the box. Unboxing.
What are you unboxing today, Charles Holiday?
Box.
What do you think is in the box?
Let's check it out.
Let's check it out and see. What do you see?
Sandals.
Sandals? What kind of sandals is it?
Is it mine or is it somebody else? Let's grab your sandal. I want to put it on my foot to fit.
Okay, let's see.
It's so
These sandals are
good.
Puma Cool Cat Sport Jr. So these are the Puma Sport Jr. sandals, and they are in red, black, and white. They are soft on the sole. They're really sturdy. Go ahead, Charles Holiday. Okay, Mommy will help.
Have you strong? Not me either. Not me either.
What do you think about your sandals?
Well, my sandals are cool.
What do you think?
So,
Do you like them?
yep.
Well, let's try them on and see how they fit.
They're not that tight.
Oh. They're not tight?
I so love them.
You so love them. I love them too.
Mom, you have a big foot.
Turn. Stop. Put your feet up here so we can see them properly. Put them on the chair.
Oh. Maybe they're not dirty. See that? That's really awesome.
That's really awesome. Stand up again. Let's see. Are they comfy?
Yep.
So what do you think? Would you give these Puma Cool Cat sandals a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? Just one thumbs up?
Oh, that's the thumbs down. A thumbs